Now we will start. Okay. Before going to the syllabus, we will study some basics concept for algebra 1. Okay. Now tell me, what is the function? What is the definition of function? Anyone knows? What is function? First definition, function. What is the meaning of function? What is the definition of function? जर तुम्ही रिप्लाय देत नसाल तर मग मी सांगेन, मीच पुढे जाईन. ओके. So you have to speak. Suppose A is the set which is non-empty, and also B is the another non-empty set. Okay, there is a relation between the set A and B, which is denoted by F, and every element of A. Okay, suppose there are 6 elements are there, 5 elements are there in set A. Okay, for every element in A, there is unique image in B. Okay, for every element in A, unique image in B. Okay, this is the unique image in B. Okay. For this element, we have image in B. Now tell me, what is the domain of this function?
A.
A. Very good. This is the domain of this function. Okay, and what is the codomain of this function?
B.
B.
Okay, set B is the codomain of the function. Now tell me, what are the elements in the range set? What are the elements in range set? Suppose this is the element A, small a, this one is small b, and this one is small c. The small a, small b, and small c. These are the range set. And the range set is always subset of codomain. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So range set is always subset of codomain. Okay, it may be equal or may be the proper subset of codomain. Okay, so what is the definition? Look at here. Let capital A and capital B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. Non-empty given set. Okay, and suppose there exists a corresponds which is denoted by this small f. Okay, which associate to each member of A. Okay, element of A, capital A, to a unique member of capital B. Okay, the set B. Then F is called function. Then this small f, okay, it's called function. Okay, or a mapping from the set A to B. Okay, so it is denoted by f is the function from A to B. And what is the range set? The range set is nothing but set of the form f of x for x belongs to
B.
x belongs to A na. F of x belongs to B. Okay, this is the element of our domain. And this set is range set is denoted by f of A, capital set A, and it is the proper, or it is always subset of our codomain. Okay, f of a is nothing but range set of that function. Now tell me, now I have one mapping. Okay, suppose this is the set A. Instead of taking A, we take this is set C and this one is set D, and this is the mapping T. Suppose T is the mapping, and there are four elements in C and five elements in T. Okay, suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is A, B, C, D, E. There are five elements in set D and four elements in set C. If suppose this one maps to A and this one also maps to B. Now tell me whether this T is the function or not.
Not, sir.
Why? Why this T
कारण
is not a
एका
function?
इमेजला एकच इमेज मिळणार ना फंक्शन मध्ये.
व्हेरी गुड. तुम्ही याचं
एका
तर
वन व्हॅल्यू.
मराठीतही सांगू शकता बरं का. For every image in C, for every element in C, we have unique image in D. Okay, here the one is maps to A and one is maps to also B. So this T is not a function, but it is relation. Okay. Do you know the relation? What is the relation? The subset of A cross B is called as relation. ओके, हे बेसिक पहा जरा पुस्तक 11वी-12वीचं मॅथचं पुस्तक आहे, टेक्स्टबुक. त्यात तुम्ही पाहू शकता. ओके, व्हॉट इज द रिलेशन? दिस वन इज नॉट फंक्शन बट इट इज द रिलेशन. One related to A and one is also related to B. What type of relation is? One many relation. One is maps to many elements in D. That's why this is one many relation, but it is not a function. Okay, now tell me, suppose this is C, same set, and this one is set D, and also here four elements are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is A, B, C, D, and E. This one is related to A, and this 2 is also related to A. Now tell me, this one is function or not? Suppose G is
Yes.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? For
Many
every
one.
element in C, we have yes, very good. Many one function is.
Many one function.
Okay. So कळालं फंक्शन कुठला फंक्शन आहे आणि कुठला फंक्शन नाही. देर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ फंक्शन. 1 1, many one,
Onto.
into,
Into and onto.
onto. So this is the many one type of relation. Okay, one many हा कधीच रिलेशन फंक्शन होत नाही. Okay, because it does not satisfy the definition of function. Unique image in codomain. Okay. Any doubt in the definition of function?
No, sir.
Okay. Now one more alternative definition for the function. Look at this one. The function adds a set of ordered pairs. Okay, ordered pairs. What is this definition? Look at here. If capital A and capital B are any two non-empty sets. Okay, are any two non-empty sets, then the function acts from A to B, capital A to capital B, is nothing but is the subset of cross product of, okay, A cross B, satisfying the relation or satisfying the following condition. Instead of relation, satisfying the following condition. Which one? Look at here. First condition. For all small a belongs to capital A. Okay, this is the symbol for all. Okay, and the ordered pair AB must be belongs to A cross B. Okay, for some small b belongs to capital B. Okay, this is the definition. This is the symbol for all. Okay, each and every element of domain is related to the for some element in capital B. Okay, and second condition is if this ordered pair AB belongs to the cross product of A cross B. Okay, direct product of A cross B, A and B, and A B dash. Okay, different from B. A B belongs to A cross B, and A and B dash. Okay, this is the different element from B. A B dash belongs to A cross B. It implies B is equal to B dash. Okay, काय सांगतात हे दोन condition? Look at here. This is the alternative definition for function. Suppose this one is set A. This one is set B. Okay, suppose these are the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there, and the 4 elements are 3 elements A, B, C. Okay, instead of taking 4, take only 2 elements. Okay, then tell me what is A cross B? A cross B is the set of 1 A, 1 B, and 1 C. Is it correct? 2 B, 2 A, 2 B, and 2 C. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, direct product of A cross B. Now, the first condition tells us that for every element A belongs to A, AB belongs to A cross B. Okay, म्हणजे हा प्रत्येक एक या एलिमेंट प्रत्येक एलिमेंटसाठी each and every element in A we get some B belongs to capital B. Look at here. That means it's what? It is the subset of A cross B. The function is nothing but जो काही range set येईल it's subset of what? Instead of writing this one, the function is nothing but the ह्याच्यात एकूण total 6 elements are there. So it is the subset of this one or this one. Okay. Okay. So this is the subset of A cross B. The function is the subset of A cross B. And first condition tells us that for every A belongs to A, we get some B belongs to B. And second condition tells us that if AB belongs to A cross B, okay, suppose this element 1 and A, this belongs to what? A cross B. And this element also A and B dash. Okay, different from A. Take any element different from B. Suppose this one AB belongs to again A cross B. Okay, look at here. If AB belongs to 1 cross B and AB dash belongs to 1 cross B, A cross B, then it implies A is equal to B. Okay, म्हणजेच हा तुमचा जो सेकंड कंडिशन काय सांगतोय आपल्याला? The second condition guaranteed that the image is unique. Okay, this one is related to only one element is our codomain. Okay, here the one is also related to here B, one is also related to C, but in the function मध्ये असे सबसेट घ्यायचे की हा वन हा एकालाच रिलेटेड असायला हवा. ओके, कळतंय का काय सांगतोय? इफ वन
Yes,
इज
sir.
to A and one is related to B, in the function A is equal to B. Okay, and then the second condition guaranteed that the image is unique image is there. पहा इथे काय सांगतो. हा हे कोणाला रिलेटेड आहे ते B dash ला रिलेटेड. This A related to B. Okay, if A related to B and this A related to B dash, then B is always equal to B dash. Okay, so this is the definition of function. So we say that every function every function is relation. Okay, but every relation is not function. Okay, so this is the difference between relation and function. Every function is a one type of relation is there. Okay, each element of A related to the unique image in B, but every relation is not a function. This is the relation. One is related to A, one is related to B, one is related to C. ओके, म्हणजे रिलेशन मध्ये तुम्हाला मेनी वन फंक्शन, वन मेनी हा फंक्शन चालतो, वन मेनी हा रिलेशन चालतो. One is related to many elements of that codomain. But in function, one element always related to one element of our codomain. Hence, every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. This one type of relation, but it is not a function. Why? Because one is related to A, one is related to B, and one is also related to C. So for this element in domain, we have three images. Hence, it is not a function. Okay? Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt up to here? What is the relation and what is the function? Okay, then we will see the types of function: into function, onto function, one function, and one onto function. There are 4 types. Okay, now first look at this one. First type is into function. Okay, now in the into function, range set is always proper subset of codomain. Okay, range set is always proper subset of codomain. For example, look at here. Suppose this one is set A, this one is set B, non-empty subset. 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. 1, 2, 3. And here the 4 elements are there. A, B, C, and D. Here the 1 is related to A, suppose. Okay, 2 is related to B. And C is also related to B. Okay, this is the main one type of function. Okay, now look at here. For image, for element 3, we have unique image here in codomain. Okay, this is domain. This is codomain. This is codomain. Okay, what is codomain? Which is equal to B. The set small a, small b, small c, and small d. Okay, what is the range set? Range of, suppose this is the function f. Range of small a f is equal to, tell me the range of f.
A and B.
A and B.
A and small a and b. Now here, the range of this function f is what? Proper subset. This is the symbol of proper subset. Okay, this is not a symbol of proper subset. Okay, this is the symbol of subset or may be equal. It may be equal or may be the proper subset. But here, this symbol is used for the proper subset of codomain. Okay, so this function is what? Into function. Here, the range set is proper subset of codomain. Look at here, A, B, C, D, 4 elements are there, and here A, B are 2 elements are there. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
For example, okay, example, suppose f is the function from the set R to R. Instead of writing R, take this one set of integer. Okay, suppose f is the function of set of integer to the set of real number. Integer. What are the integers? Defined by f of x is equal to x. Identity function. Okay. Plus minus 1, 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. These are the integers. And what are real numbers? Rational union irrational number. हो ना? तुमचा real line येतोय सगळं. Now tell me, f of x is what? Range set. Okay. This one is the real number, real line. 0, 1, 2. This one is minus 1, minus 2. Okay, and integer is the set 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2. Okay. Now here, f of x is equal to x. What is f of 1? 1. F of minus 1? Minus 1 by this mapping. Okay, f of 0? 0. F of 2 is equal to 2. Okay, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
F of all the set integers, which is equal to what? I, na? All integers. Now here the range set is what? Range of capital small f is equal to capital I, set of integer. Okay, I is nothing but set of integer. Or the set of integer also denoted by z. Okay, now here range set I is the proper subset of what? Of our codomain. What is codomain?
R.
Real.
Set of real numbers. So hence this function is what? Into function. Okay, any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Now the second definition is onto function. Onto function. The second name is surjective function. The onto function is also called as surjection or surjective. Surjective function. Okay, here the range set. The range set is equal to codomain. Okay, if suppose this one set A, this one is set B. Okay, and f is the function from A to B, small f. Okay, 4 elements are there. Here, suppose here 5 elements are there, and here suppose the 4 elements. There, this element related to this one. This element is related to this one. This related to this one, and also this related to again this one. Okay, suppose these are 4 elements A, B, C, D. What is the range? Range is equal to, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this 5 is related to again D. Okay, what is the range? Range is equal to A, B, C, D. Is it correct? And which is equal to the whole set B. Hence, here the range set is equal to what? Codomain. Hence, this function is onto function. Okay. So one more definition is there for onto function. There does not exist any element. Okay. There does not exist any element x belongs to our codomain. Here the codomain is B, such that there does not exist any element such that x is equal to f of y for sum y belongs to A. प्रत्येक अर्थ काय याचा? असा एकही एलिमेंट माझ्या या कोडोमेन मध्ये एक्झिस्ट होणार नाही, सच दॅट हा x इज इक्वल टू f ऑफ y. हा y कुठून येईल माझा इनपुट? इन फ्रॉम कोडोमेन. ओके, इज इट करेक्ट? Okay, this is the symbol of there exists. This is there does not exist x belongs to our codomain. असा माझा codomain मध्ये हा codomain. There does not exist any element belongs to codomain such that x is equal to हा x मध्ये काय असेल, या f ला रिलेटेड नसेल. ओके, डज नॉट एक्झिस्ट or sum y belongs to A. Okay, and simple definition is range set is equal to codomain. That is the onto function. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, जायचं पुढे.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
And the third definition is one function. Okay, for example, ह्याचं example घेऊयात. एकच मिनिट. वरचंच function घेऊयात. F is the function from. Now it is R to R. Instead of taking I, head of integer, f of x is equal to x. Okay, look at here. For every f of 1 का येईल माझा 1. F of take any rational number 1.5, that is 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 again. Okay, जो का इनपुट घेईल तो आउटपुट येईल माझा. Hence for every element x belongs to R. Okay, this one is R, set of real number. This one is codomain, also set of real number. And this is function f of x is equal to what? X. For any element in codomain, we get the same element in domain. Okay, ह्या प्रत्येक x साठी माझा हा x exist होईल. Okay, why? Because this is the identity function. So hence this function is onto function. तोच function, तोच mapping दिलेला आहे. फक्त मी काय केलं इथे, I change my domain. Okay, hence this function is onto. If you take this one I, then its function is into. Okay, now the next definition is one function. Okay, tell me what is the one function? Also called as injective function. Okay, this function is also called as injective. Onto means surjective function, or one function is also called as injective function. Okay, tell me what is the one function?
Distinct elements in A have distinct images in B.
Very good. Different images, different elements have different images. Okay, look at here. Suppose this is the set A. This one is set B. And F is the mapping from A to B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose there are 4 elements are there, and these are the 5 elements are there in B. This element is all related to only one element. This element also related to other than this element. That means suppose this is A, B, C, D, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This A related to 1. This B also related. This B related to 2. Okay, other than 1. This C is related to 3, and suppose this D is related to 5. Okay, we have different elements in A. We get different images in B. Okay. कळते का काय सांगतोय? जर हा माझा B किंवा हा माझा C या 2 ला रिलेट झाला, then it is not one function. Okay, we have different elements in A, we get different images in B, then that function is called as one function. Okay, so write down in one sentence: different elements have different images. ओके, मग एखादा थेरम वगैरे प्रूव्ह करताना एखादा फंक्शन वन आहे ते प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी काय कोणती मेथड यूज करतोय? हाऊ टू प्रूव्ह द गिवन फंक्शन इज वन. चल मी बीएससी ला केलंय ना. ओके, this d related to 4
is equal to f of y, then x equal to y.
करेक्ट आहे. सांगा व्यवस्थित. गुड. काय म्हटलं नीट सांगा. हाऊ टू प्रूव्ह द गिवन फंक्शन इज वन.
F of x equal to f of y, then x equal to y, or f of x
implies
not equal to f of y, then x not equal to y.
हा तुमचा झाला 1 1 फंक्शन. इफ f of x is equal to f of y, then x must be is equal to y. And second definition काय म्हटलात?
If x not equal to y, then f of x equal to y.
Very good. त्याचा निगेशन येईल तो. Okay. Then f of x is not equal to f of y. Okay. Is it correct? So this is the method to prove the function is 1 1. हा असंच का प्रूव्ह होतोय? पहा. This is f of a. Okay. Look at it. What is 1? 1 is equal to what? F of a. 2 is equal to what? F of b. 3 is equal to what? F of c. And this 4 is equal to what? F of c. And this 4 is equal to f of d. Okay, now look at here. Here a is not equal to b. How definition use correct? A is not equal to b. Whether f of a is equal to f of b, f of a is what? 1. F of b, 2. Here 1 is not equal to 2. Okay. Okay, for each and every element for a, f of x is not equal to y, it implies f of x is not equal to f of y. Okay. Now, first definition पहा. If f of x is equal to f of y, हा f of a काय 1, f of b is 2, f of c 3, f of d 4. Okay, here f of x is equal to f of y. असं कोणताच एलिमेंट नाही आहे इथे. f of x is equal to f of y. The image of two distinct element must be equal. असा कोणताच एलिमेंट नाही, त्यामुळे हा डेफिनेशन लागूच होत नाही. ओके. जर असा असेल, look at here. Suppose this b is related to 1. Okay, what is f of a? 1. What is f of b? Again 1. Okay, here f of a is equal to what? f of b. हा काय इम्प्लाय करतोय? a is equal to b आहे का इथे? नाहीये. डिफरंट इमेजेस आहेत. Okay, different elements आहेत. Hence, this function is not 1 1. Okay, so we must have different elements have different images. Okay, so here b is related to 2. Then we get this function is 1 1. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so 1 1 images, 1 1 function is nothing but injective function. So in the 1 1 function, we have different elements have different images. That is, in the theorem, we will prove this 1 1 function like this one. If x is not equal to y, f of x is not equal to f of y. Or if f of x is equal to f of y, then it implies x is equal to y. Okay, ह्याच्या रिव्हर्स जर एखादा फंक्शन वेल डिफाइंड फंक्शन आहे. ओके, वेल डिफाइंड फंक्शन तुम्हाला सांगितलंच नाही आहे ना. ओके, नंतर सांगितलं, जाऊ दे. वेल डिफाइंड काय असेल. Okay, so here the function is 1 1 function. Now the fourth definition is 1 1 onto function. 1 1 and onto. What is the alternative name for this function?
Bijective function.
Bijective, very good. Bijective function. Okay, if the function is 1 1 and onto, then the function is onto function. 1 1 and onto function, that is bijective function. Okay, एखादा function 1 1 पण आहे आणि onto पण आहे, then function is bijective. Onto म्हणजे काय? If range is equal to codomain. Okay, codomain. This is ontoness. And what is 1 1ness? Different images have different elements have different images. That is, if x is not equal to y, these have different elements. It implies different images. F of x, this is the image of f of x. This is the image of f of y. These both are different. Okay, if these two conditions satisfies, then function is 1 1 and onto. Okay, any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, now look at this one again. What is the function? So today we will see the function, definition of function, one function, onto function, one and onto function. That is bijective function. And now the next definition is binary operation. आता आपण आलो आपल्या algebra कडे. Okay, what is binary operation? Anyone knows what is the mean of binary operation? Okay. What is mean by binary operation? ग्रुपच्या डेफिनेशन मध्ये पाहिले आपण an all empty subset with binary operation star satisfying dash dash for following properties. Okay, which one for properties? Closure, associative, identity, and inverse. If these four properties satisfies, then we can say that G star is the group.
Group.
Okay, हा स्टार काय होता तिकडे तुमचा?
Binary operation.
Binary operation. What is the meaning of binary operation?
Operation
Binary
between
means-
two elements.
Oh, काय?
Operation between two elements.
Operation between two elements. Okay. आता तुम्ही जवळ आलात फक्त ऑपरेशन बिटवीन दोन बायनरी आहे म्हणजे दोन एलिमेंट्स असणार तिथे दोघांमध्ये ऑपरेशन काहीतरी असणार. Okay, but that is the not exact definition of that binary operation.
G star of G.
जी स्टार आपण ग्रुप कडे गेलोच नाही अजून, तो फक्त स्टार काय हेच पाहतोय आपण. ओके, व्हॉट इज दिस स्टार? That star is nothing but binary operation.
Calculation that combines two elements.
Calculation between two elements. हो, करेक्ट आहे. पण जो आउटपुट येईल तो कुठे असणार? Suppose A belongs to, suppose A is non-empty subset, capital A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Okay, A star B belongs, sorry, B set घेतलाच नाहीत ना. Suppose this small b belongs to also belongs to capital A, then A star belongs to A, then this star is called as binary operation. म्हणजे जो तुमचा काय आउटपुट येईल, suppose A star B is C, then that C belongs to A, then that operation star is called as binary operation. That binary operation is nothing but closure property सारखा आहे तुमचा. Okay, binary operation is nothing but closure property. हाच आहे ना closure property. If A belongs to A, B belongs to B, A, then A star B is equal to, is belongs to A, then it called as A and star. This algebraic structure is closure property. Okay, okay, closure property म्हणजेच तुमचा बायनरी ऑपरेशन आहे. ह्याला म्हणायचं बायनरी ऑपरेशन. सो डेफिनेशन पाहूया त्याचं. ओके, सॉरी, वेट अ मिनिट. Okay, wait. So what is the binary operation? A binary operation. A binary operation. Okay, star. Suppose this operation is denoted by star on a non-empty set. This point is more important. Non-empty set वर डिफाइन करतो आपण कधी. ओके, एम्प्टी सेट वर बायनरी ऑपरेशन डिफाइन करताच येत नाही, because there are no elements in empty set. Okay, so we have to define a star on a non-empty set. Okay, suppose a binary operation star on a non-empty set capital A is a mapping, which associates with each ordered pair AB of elements of A. Okay, uniquely defined C belongs to A. Thus, the mapping of the product set A cross A to A. Okay, याचाच अर्थ काय या सगळ्या डेफिनेशनचा? A binary operation star on a non-empty set A is the mapping which associate with each ordered pair AB of element of A is uniquely defined by C. Okay, जो काही तुमचा स्टार ऑपरेशन असेल, then A star B is equal to C, the product of that two element. Okay, or the star मी product घेतला, or A star B is equal to C, that output of that two element must be belongs to that, again, that same C. Okay, so thus the mapping of the product set A cross A to A, that is, star is one kind of function. Okay, from A cross A to A. Okay, it's called binary operation. It's called binary operation on the set A. Okay, म्हणजे बायनरी ऑपरेशन एकाच सेटवर डिफाइन करता येतो आपल्याला. Okay, if A and B are the two elements, that is, okay, हा सगळ्याचा अर्थ काय? हा, if A and B are the two elements in A and A star B, and it implies A star B, that is ordered pair. A star B लाच आपण इथे ordered pair म्हणतो. Okay, if this element is equal to C and that product of A star B belongs to the same set. Okay, that is, हा A कुठून आलाय? ह्या सेट मधून आलाय. हा B कुठून आलाय? इथून आलाय. Okay, ऑपरेशन काय तुमचा? स्टार. बायनरी ऑपरेशन स्टार इज द बायनरी ऑपरेशन. So this A cross A belongs to what? The set A. Okay, आउटपुट कुठे येतोय तुमचा? या सेट मध्ये. इज इट करेक्ट? कळते का काय सांगतोय? दोन एलिमेंट एकाच सेट मधून घेतले आणि त्याच्यावर मी जर बायनरी ऑपरेशन स्टार डिफाइन केला, त्या दोघांचा आउटपुट जो काही येईल तो त्याच सेट मध्ये असेल. याचा अर्थ एवढाच आहे. कळतोय?
येस सर.
क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी कळते त्यासारखीच डेफिनेशन. ओके, दोन एलिमेंट त्याच सेट मधून घेतले आणि त्याच्यावर मी जो ऑपरेशन असेल डिफाइन केलेला तो जर अप्लाय केला आणि जो काय आउटपुट येईल, दॅट आउटपुट विल बी इन दॅट सेम सेट. ओके, that is nothing but the binary operation, similar to closure property. Okay, म्हणजेच एखादा ग्रुप समजा G is the set, star is the binary operation. This algebraic structure we called group. When we call this is a group, this is if this satisfies the closure property. Second one is associative property. Third one is inverse. Fourth one is identity. Okay, जर जेव्हा एकदा if when you say that this star is binary operation, okay, G star is the binary operation if G is the non-empty set and star is the binary operation on the set G, then we have no need to prove this property again. ओके, हा तुमचा बायनरी ऑपरेशन आपण आहे असं सांगितलं आहे आधीच. ओके, बायनरी ऑपरेशन म्हणजे काय? इफ सपोज A and B, if these are the two elements in G, what is the definition of binary operation? Then A star B, if this is output C, this must be belongs to C. याचाच अर्थ काय तुमचा बायनरी ऑपरेशन. That is nothing but closure property. Hence, when you say that this G star is the algebraic structure, that is, if G is the non-empty set and star is the binary operation, there is again no need to prove this property. ओके, जेव्हा आपण ग्रुप आहे हे प्रूव्ह करतोय तेव्हा ही प्रॉपर्टी प्रूव्ह करण्याची गरज नाहीये आपल्याला. डायरेक्ट तुम्ही असोसिएटिव्ह, इनवर्स आणि आयडेंटिटी या तीन प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय करा, देन G स्टार इज द ग्रुप. ओके, आपण आतापर्यंत काय शिकलो बीएससी पर्यंत? इफ G स्टार इज द algebraic structure, G is the non-empty set, star is the binary operation, and G star is the algebraic structure is called group if this algebraic structure following 4 properties: closure, associative, inverse, identity. हे पाठच केलंय आपण. ओके, जेव्हा तुम्ही हे बायनरी ऑपरेशन म्हणताय, देयर इज नो नीड टू प्रूव्ह अगेन दिस क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, कळतंय का काय सांगतोय?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हो सर.
काय डोक्यावरून जाते? व्यवस्थित समजते ना?
Yes, sir.
हो सर.
ओके, व्हेरी गुड. ओके, आता फक्त डेफिनेशन लक्षात ठेवा. बायनरी ऑपरेशन, बायनरी ऑपरेशनचा अर्थ एवढाच आहे. हे एवढं सगळं नाही लक्षात राहिलं तरी चालेल. ए बिलॉंग्स टू ए, बी बिलॉंग्स टू ए, ए डॉट काही का असेल ना, ए स्टार, ए डॉट, ए प्लस बी, ए मायनस बी, काही का. ओके, ए डॉट बी बिलॉंग्स टू ए. ओके, एवढं लक्षात जरी असेल तरी संपला. हा स्टार तुमचा असेल तो बायनरी ऑपरेशन. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन इज अल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर. अल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर कधी म्हणायचं? ओके,
One or more binary operation.
वेट पाहूया. ओके, अल्जेब्राइक स्ट्रक्चर. Algebraic structure. Okay, a non-empty set. A non-empty set. Suppose this set is G, equipped with one or more binary operations. One or more binary operations is called an algebraic structure. Algebraic structure. Okay. Suppose star is the operation, binary operation, and G is what? Non-empty. Okay. Then this structure G star is called as algebraic structure. Okay. If suppose plus and dot product, okay, usual multiplication and addition, these are the two binary operations on a set F which is non-empty. Suppose this set F is non-empty set. Okay, then we can say that this F plus dot is what? Algebraic structure. Okay, अजून फील्ड कडे गेलो नाही, आपण ग्रुप फील्ड गेलोच नाही. त्या दोघांना मिळून काय म्हणायचं? Algebraic structure. Okay, look at the definition. A non-empty set G equipped with one or more, एक असेल किंवा एकापेक्षा जास्तही असतील, बायनरी ऑपरेशन इज कॉल्ड अल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर. आपल्या सिलेबसला फक्त हा एक ग्रुप आणि हे दोन ऑपरेशन, हे दोनच बायनरी ऑपरेशन असलेले आपल्याकडे काय सिलेबसला आहे आपल्याला. ओके, सो व्हॉट इज अल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर? अ नॉन एम्प्टी सेट G equipped with one or more binary operation is called as algebraic structure. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
Now tell me whether this one is binary structure or not. Yeah, sorry, algebraic structure with or not. This addition is binary operation आहे का? n वर set of natural number, set of natural number. Set of natural number starts from
1.
yes, very good, 1 2 up to so on. हा binary operation आहे का? Whether this plus is binary operation on set of natural number?
Yes, sir.
If take any two elements belongs to set of natural number, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 also belongs to set of natural number. Now tell me n, okay, for all, ह्या एक दोन साठीच नाही बरं का, कोणतेही दोन एलिमेंट घेऊ शकता. In general we can write a and b belongs to n, then a plus b also belongs to n. Okay, now tell me n minus whether this operation is a binary operation or not on set of natural.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No,
What?
sir.
Give me counter example. काउंटर एक्झाम्पल द्या ना. नो म्हटलात ना तुम्ही, मग का नो का सॅटिस्फाय होत नाही त्याचं एक्झाम्पल द्यावं लागेल की.
Negative.
1
Sir,
minus
निगेटिव्ह संख्या नाही येतात.
सांगा एक्झाम्पल सांगा मला. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus
2
1.
is equal to minus 1.
Not
Minus
belongs
3.
to capital F.
Not is equal to.
ओके, आता समजतंय काय?
हो सर.
बायनरी ऑपरेशन त्या सेट वर पण डिफाईन असतो. जो सेट कसा डिफाईन आहे, म्यूट करा, म्यूट व्हा, कोण आहे? आणि जो सेट आहे त्याच्यावरही डिफाईन आहे तो बायनरी ऑपरेशन होणार की नाही त्या सेटवर. whether this one is binary operation or not. Set of real number. Take any two elements belongs
Yes.
to R. A minus B also belongs to
R.
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 Then since this is binary operation, this is not. This one is binary operation. Okay. Now tell me R and usual multiplication. Okay. A star म्हणजे काय? It's a multiplication. Now tell me this one is binary operation or not? This algebraic structure.
Binary operation.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Take it.
Yes, sir.
And
It is
B
a
belongs
binary
to R.
operation.
Then A and B belongs to R. Then A dot B, whatever be the element, which is also belongs to R. Okay. Okay. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Set of irrational number with multiplication.
Yes, sir.
आहे हा एक्झाम्पल सांगा मला.
Yes, sir.
एक्झाम्पल सांगा. एक्झाम्पल कुठलं तरी. हा √2. Okay, belongs to Q dash. √3 also belongs to Q dash. √2 into √3 is equal to what? √6 na?
6.
Belongs to Q dash. Hence it is the binary operation. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आता सांगा. 2 is irrational.
No. No, sir.
एकाला झालं म्हणजे सगळ्याला होईल तसं नाही ना प्रॉपर्टी. हेन्स दिस इज नॉट अ बायनरी ऑपरेशन. ओके. जो काही तुमचा आउटपुट येईल तो त्याच सेटमध्ये हवाय. हा 2 जो आहे का या सेटमध्ये?
No, sir.
एकालाच हे झाला म्हणजे सगळ्याला होईल असंच नाही. सगळ्याला व्हायला पाहिजे सगळं. ओके. सगळ्याला ती प्रॉपर्टी सॅटिस्फाय व्हायला पाहिजे. इच अँड एव्हरी एलिमेंट दॅट प्रॉपर्टी मस्ट बी होल्ड्स. ओके. सो हियर द √2 and √2, or we can take √2 into √8. That is √16, which is equal to 4, which is belongs to Q dash. Hence this is not a binary operation.
Not a binary operation.
Okay. Any doubt up to
Yes,
here?
No, sir. No, sir. No.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Wait. Q dash plus.
Yes, binary.
सर
Binary
बायनरी
operation?
ऑपरेशन आहे.
आहे का नक्की? पहा चेक करा.
No,
सगळ्याला ट्रू होईल. हा
Yes,
नो
sir.
म्हणणारे कोण आहेत? हा एक्झाम्पल सांगा मला काय होत नाही.
No, sir. √8 plus √8.
√8 प्लस √8 किती येईल?
√16.
नो. √2 √8 असं येईल ना.
√8.
मग कसं काय होईल तो? जरी हा आतमध्ये जरी घेतला तर काय होईल? 8 into 4. ओके. 32 नाही येणार ना. काय येईल?
येईल सर.
येईल सर.
येईल सर. हो सर.
हो सर. हो.
Okay. This is the algebraic structure. This is the binary operation. Okay. Any doubt up to here? नुसतं कन्सेप्ट शिकून नाही
No,
बघायचं
sir.
बरं का. एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचे त्याचे भरपूर. ओके. वेट अ मिनिट.
हो सर.
ओके. एनी डाऊट अप टू हिअर? काही अडचण असेल तर विचारू शकता.
No, sir.
No, sir.
समजतंय?
No,
शिकलेलं
sir.
समजतंय
No
व्यवस्थित?
doubt. हो सर.
तर जर तुम्ही रिप्लाय देत असाल तर मग जास्तीचं सांगायला बरं पडेल मला. ओके. जर तुम्ही नाही रिप्लाय दिलात तर मी थांबेन आणि पुढे जाईन. तसं पुढे जाईन. नुकसान तुमचं आहे.